the Natalie Show, 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 the Natalie Show.
Today on the Non-Stop Natalie Show, we're gonna do another unboxing, but this one's for Michael's. Yes, my mom is behind the camera. If you want to say hi, Mom.
Hey.
And yes, I do have singers. Grandma's over there. And this is Rosanna. Oh.
Rosanna Manna?
No, Mom. Okay.
So the box is only $10, you guys, and it's over at Michael's. So if you have a Michael's store, yeah, turn it so they can see.
There.
So it's called the Grab Bag Box. So if you want to get one, go to Michael's and look for the Grab Bag boxes.
If you have a Michael's by your house, and if you find this box, just let me know, guys. If you love this video, give it a like and subscribe. Okay, there's a bunch of items.
Oh my goodness.
So let's start
All right,
with.
show us.
Let's start with this one. Ooh, it's a little decoration.
Well, come closer so they can see it.
I can't go really close.
That's good.
Thanks.
Here, let me see what it says.
Okay, you don't get that. It's wooden. Okay, next box.
Oh, look at you like. There's stand-up trees, and you get to stick the items on it that it comes with, the little foam pieces.
Okay, next one,
Makes
guys.
2 trees.
This is a little monster that you have to fill with stuffing. Here you go, Mom.
Oh yeah, it's like a little pillow.
Next one is the same one.
It's a sewing craft. Another one, same one.
Ooh, this one. This is a special wreath. You can show that to the audience, Grandma.
Make your own wreath. That's pretty cool.
We got cookie stampers, just packages.
Oh, cookie cutters.
Packages kind of broken.
Ooh, and I like the little ones like that. Grandma, you're gonna do good with those. You can use it for Play-Doh and
The
everything.
next thing I'm gonna give like
Yeah, look at all the things you can do. The Christmas ones.
What's this one?
That's true.
Another wreath, guys.
There's another wreath.
Okay.
6 and up. This is perfect for Natalie. She can do all these.
Another wreath.
Yeah, 6 and up.
Yeah.
And each one of these says $18.99. Oh, that's the Canadian price. $12.99 US price. Each one of these.
And there's 4 of these. 4 Santas.
This is a different one.
Oh, guys, we got a wooden one that you have to carve out. Show that to the audience, Grandma. 2 of them.
Oh yeah.
Mom, keep with this over there.
And this one says it's $14.99. Is the see on the top there?
Okay, here's the last
8 years
one.
old, so now we
Yeah, Natalie can make
Okay,
this
here's the
too.
last
This is gonna be a lot of fun. 2 of them.
It's a mini Christmas tree.
Oh, how cute is that? You can see the little plastic thing in there to make a Christmas tree.
And there, the box is empty. Show the box is empty.
I'm gonna go
box is
inside the
empty.
box now and see if I can fit. This is gonna be a fit test. Okay, pack me up, Grandma.
Okay.
I wrote you out of the box for no reason. Ah!
And today is March 10th,
2023.
2023. And Natalie is how old?
8.
8.
Of me.
21.
Here goes
Okay, you put your lot.
Okay.
Well, it's like $150 worth of products, you guys. I was trying to add them up, but I'm not that fast. So can you believe that? $10 for to pay for that? What a deal. So if you can get out to Michael's, and this is not sponsored either by Michael's, but we love to share when we find a real good deal.
If you guys want to see me sweep in this box, I'll do a 24-hour challenge.
No, she won't.
Yeah, I won't. You thought I was going to do
Ha
that.
ha, prank.
Bye.
Let's wait, bye, Graham. We see you.
Mwah.
Bye.
Love you, viewers.
Oh, the Natalie Show, 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 the Natalie Show.
Guys, I'm really non-stop.